Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to use the DJI NEO with the DJI RC2 remote controller. So first of all, power on the DJI RC2. The first thing you want to do is update your remote controller. So go to your Wi-Fi settings, long press, and connect to a Wi-Fi network if you aren't already. Then go back and you see a new version is available. So you can update it here and it will download the update automatically. And you see the progress bar right here. So you can let it be until it's downloaded. Now, after having done 2 updates, it should work. So click on Connection Guide and then select the DJI NEO. Another firmware update. Okay. So start your DJI NEO. Doesn't want me to connect, so I click on Unable to connect to aircraft. Press and hold the power button on the underside of the aircraft for 4 seconds until the aircraft beeps to indicate it is in pairing mode. I don't see any power button on the underside, so I will click here for 4 seconds. That sounds like pairing. So I will click on pair. I think this was a successful beep. Connection successful, yay! So it seems the DJI NEO is now linked to my DJI RC2, but let's test that out. Seems to work, and it is pretty stable for that it is inside. Wow, this is really noisy. But hey, it is connected now to the DJI RC2 and everything works. So I'm really happy to try it out outside. Stay tuned for more content and thanks for watching.